I want to welcome everyone back to today's program. Today we'll be starting our class on Microsoft PowerPoint. Last week we talked about Microsoft Word. We learned a lot on how to use Microsoft Word to publish documents. So this time around we're working on how to run presentations using Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a Microsoft package using presenting slideshows for lectures and all forms of presentations, whether in video format or in document format. But it's purposefully used for presentations, like presentations using projectors during a conference meeting, during a kind of online training or whatever kind of meeting you have in mind. You can use PowerPoint to run some presentations. So we're going to first open our PowerPoint environment by clicking on the Start menu. Click on the Start menu. Go straight to your search box and type PowerPoint, and this is it. You open it. It's as easy as that. And it's open already right here. So wait for it to come up. This is it. Or you can also open it by going straight to Start menu, type, look for All Programs, Microsoft Office. You find Microsoft Office somewhere here. This is OneDrive. This is PowerPoint. Yes, it's under Microsoft Office packages. So you open PowerPoint. Here we are. So remember, I'm working on Microsoft Office 2016. You may have lower versions or much more advanced version than this, but the steps remains the same. So when you first open this environment, it will ask you to first choose your working environment. As if you want to work on a blank presentation, or you want to work on a templated presentation. That's already designed presentations that you can simply edit and then start using them. We have these ones like badge, banded, basics, and whatever kind of presentation you want. All these are just themes that you can click on and then use the theme to design your own fully customized presentation. So right now we want to work on a blank presentation by clicking on blank here. The reason why we want to do this is because we want to learn how to design a presentation from the grassroots. The page has opened, and here we have our menu box. Just like you also noticed in Microsoft Word, we have similar menus here too. Then we also have our standard and formatting toolbar, which is here. It's just the same thing with Microsoft Word, though with a little difference. Here we're not talking about slides, unlike documents that was Microsoft Word that was talking about blank pages or new page. So here we now have our work environment where we can design whatever we want to design. It's one slideshow at a time, one at a time, until we are done. Then here we'll have our thumbnail view of all the slides we have created so far. Then below here we have our status bar that displays what is happening, how many slides we have created, and which one are we working on. That's why we have slide 1 of 1. You can have slide 1 of 100 or whatever. If you have any notes, you can access the notes from here, or comments made on these slides, you can access them from here. Then here we'll have the normal view, the slide sorter view, and the reading view for this very slideshow. Then after that, we'll now have the run slideshow presentation button. You can access this very icon by pressing F5 on your keyboard, or click on this place. If you click on it, it will start test running your presentation as if you are now presenting live. So after that, we'll have our zoom in, zoom out button right here. Then we have to go straight to how to start working on PowerPoint. PowerPoint class, as we have scheduled it to be, will run just for about a day or two, depending on our speed. A day or two is enough for us to round up all we have on Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have any challenges from the things you're going to learn, please drop your comment on our WhatsApp page or send it to our email ask@pascalarena.com. Don't be shy, just send your comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember, we also run some professional packages that we're inviting you all to join: website designing, 3D animation, digital marketing, and software programming. If you are willing, please join our WhatsApp group, which is showing right there on your screen. Join the group immediately and complete your payment for this professional class. You are not going to regret it. Though sometimes we used to have light issue, but we keep on getting back to you. We keep on fulfilling our promises because we really want to work with you and give you the best, as we do promise. So back to our class. First, we have this blank document. You can create a new document from here, a new blank slide. You can save this slide from this save button, just the same way you notice in Microsoft Word, and then you can print the slides if you want from this view. The same features you find in Microsoft Word, exactly the same way it is also being operated right here. So we'll now go back on how to start creating a slide presentation. The first thing I want you to understand is that when you're creating a slide show or a PowerPoint presentation, whatever you have in mind must be brief. You don't write lengthy notes in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, because it's as if you are presenting a lecture to a group of people. So you always try the much you can to first introduce your topic, bring out the points that will be discussed, and then break the points one at a time and summarize. After summarizing, conclude, and that's all. So now let us get to know how this works. First of all, here we have a space for us to type our title: The Making of Nigeria. Subtitle as written by Bob. Then this is my first slide, and that's the heading. It will appear boom on the screen and everybody will be expecting what's next. I'll right click here to create a new slide, and the new slide I'll now bring out my points. See, things to learn from this history. I'll just say lessons from this history. Nigeria is one of Africa's oldest nations. Nigeria is made up of so many tribes. As the descended from the Middle East. Okay. Then had their first